Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to bulk archive emails in Gmail for a clean inbox. So this is my email in Gmail. I already logged in. Now I'm going to archive couple of emails so that my inbox will be very clean. So like Canva. So this like this type of email is not like mandatory to be on the inbox. We can filter it or archive it to some particular location. So we can do this thing. So to archive this thing, basically we need to search the email first. So here in my inbox, I will see there are lots of email from Canva. I want to archive those. So we need to copy the email. So this is the Canva email. So any email is fine. For this tutorial, I am using this email to archive. But you can use any other email also, like some particular email or particular company email, you can do that. So I'm going to copy this email, right click, and then I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go inbox and I'm going to enter it in the search mail box. I'm going to paste it. And once it is pasted, then on the right side, there is two icons. One is cross and there is filter. We just need to click the filter icon and it will bring like this. Now it will bring this type of window. From here in the from field, we just need to copy that email or type that email again. So here it is showing, I'm going to select it and this email will be selected. Now what we need to do, we need to press this create filter button. So I'm going to press this thing and it will bring this type of window again. This is the next screen after that. Now we need to check the first inbox, like checkbox. So I'm going to click it, skip the inbox, archive it. So it will be archived directly from there. Okay, and also right now I have this many emails. I want to archive this thing also to these 6 emails or 7 emails too. So for that case, we just need to check this thing, last one. So first one and last one. Skip the inbox and apply, also apply filter to 6 matching conversation, this thing. So here is showing 6 means I have 6 emails. If you have like 100 emails, it will be like 100. Now we just need to press the create filter and done. Once we press the create filter, it's complete. Now if we come to inbox, we will not see any email basically from here. We need to refresh, and after that we will not be able to see any of the Canva emails. See, there is nothing. Now where are those emails? So let's see how we can find it. To find those archive email, we just need to click this more button, or from here, if there is anything like all email or all mail, you just need to click here. And once you press all mail, you will find all the mails related to Canva also here. So here it is showing. See, here is the Canva, right? These are the Canva. So that's it, guys. In this way, we can easily archive emails in Gmail for a cleaner inbox. Thank you guys for watching the video.